How do neural pathways mature throughout life? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads connecting different neighborhoods. These roads are like neural pathways that carry messages between brain cells. As you grow, these roads get built, improved, and sometimes even removed to make travel faster and more efficient. That's how neural pathways mature over your lifetime. Before a baby is born, their brain is already busy making new neurons, which are the brain's building blocks. This process is called neurogenesis. These neurons move to specific areas in the brain, kind of like workers arriving at their job sites. Once in place, they start to grow long extensions called axons and smaller branches called dendrites. These are like roads and branches that connect neurons to each other. This initial growth lays the foundation for how the brain will work later on. After birth, the brain begins a phase called synaptogenesis. During this time, neurons form thousands of new connections called synapses. Think of synapses as bridges that allow neurons to talk to each other. This period is marked by a rapid increase in connections, especially during infancy and toddler years. These connections are shaped by what a child sees, hears, and touches. The more experiences a child has, the more these connections grow and strengthen. Soon after, the brain starts to prune these connections. Synaptic pruning is like trimming a garden. The brain gets rid of weaker or unused connections to make the remaining pathways stronger and more efficient. This process continues through childhood and adolescence. It helps the brain become better at thinking, feeling, and moving. At the same time, myelination begins. Myelin is a fatty substance that wraps around axons, acting like insulation on electrical wires. This speeds up how quickly messages travel between neurons. Myelination starts in infancy and keeps going into early adulthood. It is especially important in areas of the brain that control movement and coordination. As myelin builds up, children become better at walking, running, and even solving problems. Even as you grow older, your brain keeps changing. It stays plastic, meaning it can adapt based on new experiences and learning. But the most dramatic changes happen early in life, making childhood a key time for building strong neural pathways. Providing children with rich, varied experiences helps these pathways develop well, setting the stage for lifelong brain health. In short, neural pathways mature through a process of neuron creation, migration, connection building, pruning, and insulation. This process begins before birth, speeds up in early childhood, and continues into adulthood. Early childhood is especially important because the brain is most flexible then, shaping the foundation for how you think, feel, and move throughout your life.